In this episode, we're going to learn about nouns. Nouns can be a person, place, animal, or thing. It can also be something that you can see, taste, touch, or even smell. Examples of nouns can be man, woman, girl, and boy. You can also say that teacher, firefighter, and police are nouns too, because they're all people. Rabbit, cat, and dog are nouns that are animals. There are many things that can be nouns, such as table, desk, and apple. Those are just a few examples of things that are nouns. Places are also nouns. For example, school, library, and cafeteria are examples of nouns. There are also nouns called proper nouns. A proper noun is a noun that names a specific person, animal, place, thing, or idea. So names such as Roy, Ted, and Rebecca are examples of proper nouns. Now, notice how the first letter is capitalized? That's because they are names. Names of a place, such as Washington, D.C., is capitalized because it's the name of a place. Now that we know about nouns, let's see if you can find the nouns in a sentence. Ted is a coach. What are the nouns in this sentence? What do you think? You're right. Ted and coach are nouns. Rebecca lives in London. What are the nouns in this sentence? What do you think? You're right. Rebecca and London are nouns. I hope you like this lesson on nouns. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. And don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my TPT store for more lessons.